New at noon in the last few hours, the Muskegon County mother convicted of killing her 15-year-old son took the stand once again. Remember, we sent you a notification on the 13 On Your Side app when she was speaking live on the stand. Let's get to 13 On Your Side's Callie Lichter. She's joining us live from the courthouse right now. Callie, what was said in court today?
Yeah, Tanner. So Shonda Vander Ark took the stand for about an hour and 20 minutes today. And this was a continuation of a hearing from back in November when she was supposed to testify. Now, this hearing is all about her and her new defense attorney, saying that her previous defense attorney who represented her throughout the original duration of the case, saying that, he didn't press further, there was things that weren't done, and that she deserves a new trial. It's called a Ginther Hearing here in Michigan. And so a lot of the questions revolved around Vander Ark's mental state throughout the duration of her first case. One day of the trial, she allegedly puked into a trash can. And so we talked about that day, saying, why did this happen? Did it actually happen? Were you faking it? That was a lot of the questions coming from the prosecution. And the defense was going through questions saying, how were you feeling? Were you scared? And Vander Ark did testify that when she had to take this stand, she was scared. Again, the prosecution did push back, saying, well, were you only nervous and scared when we were talking about your son and some of these things that are going on? And Vander Ark said, no, these happened randomly. And she also talked about disassociating during some of those moments, but none of that was put on record by any medical professional. And now the judge did ask her at the end of this hearing, and again, it's about, her attorney last time not, doing the job to the best of his ability. The judge did ask her this time, is your current defense attorney doing what he needs to do? Are you satisfied with his representation? And Vander Ark did say yes. And now, Tanner, we wait about 59 days, I was told, for a written opinion from that judge about whether or not Vander Ark will get a new hearing or trial.
All right, Callie Lichter reporting live for us in Muskegon County. Callie, thank you. It is